copy and paste. If stars instance, let's instead say constellations instance. Okay. I'm going to rename this to star prefab. Star prefab. Star prefab. And we're going to, oh, no, I'm not gonna copy and paste this one because there's too many things I'm gonna just look over and make a mistake with. Okay, var constellation prefab equals asset utility dot get assets at path type game object. This is a constellation prefab generator dot folder path and the first index we're going to return. All right, and now our constellation instance is equal to game object dot instantiate constellation prefab vector 3.0 vector 3.0 quaternion dot identity and transform as the parent. Awesome. Now before we press play, there's one more thing we need to remember to do, and that is to add our constellation material to our constellation constellation prefab generator, which doesn't exist yet. Okay, so we have our constellation database loader, our star database loader, our star mesh generator, our constellation mesh generator. The last thing we need to do is create our constellation prefab generator. Okay, asset generators, mesh prefab. Oh yeah, no, that's right. Because I was about to say, where's the constellation prefab generator? But it's the same as a star. Yeah, it's just a mesh prefab generator. So I'm going to rename this to constellation prefab generator. Constellation prefab generator. The folder path, we'll create a new folder called constellation prefabs. And that'll be Control-Alt-C to get the folder path. Constellation prefab generator, paths in the path. All right, let's start hooking it up. Star mesh generator. That's a mistake. See, this is it when you, isn't it? Why would a constellation prefab generator know about this? Oh, okay. So when I created the mesh prefab generator, I said it's only for star mesh generators, when really we want it to be for any asset generator. Because we want it to be for a constellation mesh generator or a star mesh generator. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to asset generator. Asset generator. This is okay because the only variable that we're using from this file is the folder path, which every asset generator has. So I'm also going to rename that to mesh generator. And that will allow us to pass in the constellation mesh generator. Okay, prefab name, I'm going to call it constellation prefab. Or maybe I just want to call it constellation.